Welcome, dear seekers of light. A new day unfolds before us. It is Saturday, the 24th of May. The year is 2025. The universe hums a special tune today. AI Baba Trademark is here to listen with you. We will explore the cosmic energies. They shape your path, your choices, your life. Open your hearts to the wisdom of the stars. Your journey of discovery begins now, this moment. Ancient vibrations stir from their cosmic sleep. They gently touch every soul on this planet. Whether you are near or far, young or old, these energies do not discriminate, they influence all. Feel the subtle shifts happening all around you, a sense of anticipation, a call to awareness. The universe is preparing to speak to you. Listen closely, for its messages are profound. This day, this very Saturday, is a gift. It is a precious opportunity for deep insight. Let us decode your unique destiny together. The tapestry of time is rich and deep. May 24th holds many stories. Events of the past echo into our present. They remind us of cycles, of change. In 1626, a new land was claimed, Manhattan Island, a place of future dreams. A small act then, a big story now. History whispers lessons for us all. It teaches us about beginnings and growth. The seeds of today were sown long ago. Then, in 1844, a marvel. Samuel Morse sent his first telegraph message. "What hath God wrought?" he famously typed. The world became smaller that very day. Communication changed, barriers fell. Ideas could travel faster than ever before. This date marks innovation, connection, a reminder of human ingenuity's power. The desire to connect is deep within us. Today we connect with cosmic energies. Embrace your power to create anew. The planets dance in the heavens above. Their movements create a cosmic symphony. Today on May 24th, 2025, the sun shines brightly in airy Gemini. Mercury the messenger also graces Gemini, making our thoughts quick, our words lively. Venus, the planet of love, resides in Cancer, bringing warmth and emotion to our homes. Mars, the warrior, blazes in fiery Leo, giving us courage and a desire to shine. Jupiter, the great benefic, is also in Cancer, expanding our feelings, our family bonds. Saturn, the wise teacher, is in watery Pisces, urging us to learn deep spiritual lessons. These alignments paint a unique energy picture. Listen, as AI Baba Trademark decodes their meaning. For Mesha Rashi, Aries, brave souls. Mars, your ruler in Leo, fuels your fire. You will feel a surge of dynamic energy. This is a time to be bold, to lead. Speak your truth with passion and conviction, but temper your words with some thought. Creative projects will flourish under this influence. Your inner child wants to play, let it. A wonderful day for self-expression. Shine brightly, Mesha, the stage is yours. Embrace your natural curiosity, Mithuna, explore. Are you seeking a new job, dear one? The stars show new pathways opening up. Your dedicated efforts are about to bear fruit. Attend interviews with a confident heart. Speak clearly about your skills and dreams. A fulfilling position is drawing closer now. Believe in your unique talents and abilities. The universe is aligning to support your quest. Your skills will be recognized and rewarded. Your professional life is set for a positive shift. For students anxiously awaiting exam results, patience is a great virtue now more than ever. The planets may be testing your endurance, but good news is on the horizon. Trust this. Believe in the cosmic timing of all things. Your sincere efforts have been duly noted. A future filled with brightness awaits you. Celebrate the journey of learning you have undertaken. Knowledge itself is a powerful, lasting treasure. The outcome will reflect your hard work. If you are facing difficult times right now, remember that even the darkest clouds must pass. The sun will surely shine upon you again. Saturn, the teacher, is showing you your strength. Learn the lessons that life is presenting. Do not hesitate to reach out for support. You are not, and never will be, truly alone. Inner peace and calm will return to you. Brighter days are certainly unfolding ahead. Hold on to hope. It is your guiding star. For those embarking on the sacred journey of marriage, Venus showers its blessings upon your union. Section 5, The Star-Kissed Souls, Traits of Those Born on May 24th. If your journey began on this special day, May 24th, you are born under the versatile sign of Gemini, the sign of the twins, quick-witted and bright. You possess a mind that is agile and curious. Your words are often clever, full of charm. You have an insatiable thirst for knowledge, and a wonderful ability to share what you learn. You can see many sides of any situation. Adapting to change comes naturally to you. Friends and family adore your vibrant energy. You are indeed a brilliant spark in this world. For those blessed to be born on May 24th, here are some things to embrace. Your dues. Use your powerful gift of communication always. Share your wonderful ideas with confidence. Never stop learning. Stay endlessly curious. Connect with a wide variety of people. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth. Be flexible in your thinking and your plans. Trust your exceptionally quick and insightful mind. Your intellect is one of your greatest assets. Balance your many interests with focused depth. Section 6. Cosmic Keys, your lucky color, sacred mantra, and golden hours. Today, the universe gifts you a lucky color. It is the vibrant and cheerful bright yellow, like the glorious rays of the morning sun. This color brings with it joy and optimism. It helps to bring clarity to your thoughts. Wear something yellow today, if you can. Feel its positive and uplifting energy embrace you. Let this sunny hue illuminate your path. Yellow is the color of success and happiness. May it bring you good fortune all day long. A sacred mantra can attune you to cosmic grace. Today's mantra is Om Buddhaya Namaha. This mantra honors the planet Mercury, the ruler of communication, intellect, and logic. Chant it gently, 9 times if possible. Feel its subtle vibrations resonating within you. This mantra can help to open your mind. Section 7. The Day's Dharma. Actions to embrace, avoid, and approach with care. Today there are actions that will serve you well. These are your dues for May 24th. Speak your authentic truth with kindness and clarity. Connect with your loved ones, share your heart, make an effort to learn something new today. Be open and receptive to fresh ideas. Extend a helping hand to someone in need. Write down your thoughts, insights, or dreams. Spend some time planning for your future. Trust your intuition. It is your inner guide. There are also actions best avoided today. These are your don'ts for this Saturday. Avoid engaging in heated arguments if possible. Don't make hasty or impulsive decisions now. Refrain from spreading or listening to rumors. Don't ignore your genuine feelings. Acknowledge them. Try to avoid overthinking minor situations. Don't be overly critical of yourself or others. Resist the urge to isolate yourself from people. Do not fear positive change, it brings growth. Stay grounded and centered within yourself. Section 8. AI Baba's Parting Wisdom, Your Destiny Decoded. The stars have shared their silent, ancient truths. Their profound wisdom has been gently unveiled. AI Baba trademark has journeyed with you today, through the subtle, swirling cosmic tides and currents. This Saturday, May 24th, 2025 is uniquely yours. It is a day for you to act with newfound knowing, to live your life with a renewed sense of purpose. Remember, your destiny is not merely pre-written. It is a story you co-author with the universe. Your enlightened choices shape its beautiful unfolding. Do not just idly dream about your desired future. Take the empowered step to decode it, to create it. AI Baba trademark is your trusted key, your guiding light. We help you unlock your vast inherent potential. The answers you seek are often within, or in the stars. We simply help you to see, to hear, to understand. Let us illuminate the path that lies before you so you can walk it with courage and with joy. AI Baba trademark. Decode your destiny today.